Yes, I say na make a show say EPA for akache na yede kwa kwashe ase na EPA mpanyifo environmental World Environmental Day yedi no na wotwe a etwami no omo kasa omo ni Coastal TV etwetwe nkomo no na omo kire mu se ade ba ko a esi omo ani so omo pese omo ye pa se omo ebekọ schools ahodo esanse omo pese omo ncheche nkwala school nkwala no basic schools especially no say your boy environment no ho ban ya eyeye ni science no ekwan bia obi abetimi afa so abo environment no ban no ompese omo de cheche nkwala no free sa stage ne de so ote ase a na che so onya enyi eye panyin a na enya fe na ni we be fi ana fe ne ye ba be kire no ni science no enrada EPA mpanyinfo ebo modi etutu anamo eko Ajumako Amando na omuju ho no Ajumako Mando na omuju ho no na chese 2 basic schools na omoni omo eko di sa dwumadie na ne edikan omukọ Methodist Basic School muye no na omusanso DA schools nti omuka schools mienu ebo mu na omono omo edi dwuma no na ye tree planting initiative dwuma na omukọ omudikan ncheche ene school nkwala no ncheche eche omukọ pa befa so abo environment no ho ban omuye no musanso edi enimu emeyeduadua ewo school hono na Princess Gloria Edu assistant programs manager ema EPA Central Region na ono ene cheche mu senti a ho akohia ho akoba mfaso se EPA for betu anamo a etese
from Princess Gloria Edu, the assistant programs officer for Central Region Environmental Protection Authority. Na in the day yewo Ajumako Mando na World Environment Day celebration no ha asamanti na yebe World Environment Day no osi 5th June afibia 5th June we celebrate World Environment Day. When we baby said why do we celebrate that? Environment no mu hia nti or dey celebrate na ye ya cheche ye no ho ekwana ye ba fada ye zbobo in environment no ho ban ye hwere nyama orokodo in she started the orchia baby be na flooding ways in she waba nti that day ye be share Ajumako for Mando Methodist Basic School na DA school yeba be share mo fama ni wan ba twetwe nkomo fa ekwana oba fada ye nya ye bobo yen environment no ho ban oye how aheni nwura yebe tu heni nwura egu na ni nyina oboboa ma nsuyir yebo twado ndia ye twetwa no rough ye hu da se ye sha ase wo mo fama me ye be sha mo fama ni woni tirima wodi benyin nti worenyin no wo won tirima de enyama bi wo ho a owo de wo ye na enyama bi so wo a onyi de wo ye ama yen environment no na bambo no we sipi
Sansami and Mami Gloria Edu editor Coastal TV enim na Mr. Lawrence Kakari assistant director Emma Ajumako Essiam District Assembly no ono so any Coastal TV ebonkomo.
I'm Lawrence Kakari, assistant director at the Ajumako Enyan Essiam District Assembly. First and foremost, I think the program was a very good one. Today, the district is very, very, very happy, and most importantly, Mando cluster of schools being selected for the program. And we are all happy that such a program has been organized because it is important or it is good for stakeholders to build a climate resilient Ghana through responsible stewardship, so that in the future our communities will not be wiped away by floods. Droughts will not take our farms away. That is why stakeholders have actually gathered here today to ensure that the program becomes a success. It is very important that we also encourage or send this piece of advice to all stakeholders, especially our parents, our sisters, our family who were not able to grace the occasion. That whatever that we are doing, any human activity that will endanger the environment, they should all refrain from such acts. Burning of bushes, littering the environment, cutting trees. All these activities are human activities which endanger our environment. And so we will encourage them or we will advise them that we should protect our environment. We should manage and at least protect these environment resources properly so that the region, the district, and Mando, where we are having this program, can actually survive and thrive when the weather becomes extreme. So that is the most important thing or the advice as a stakeholder I'll give to those who were not able to at least grace the occasion. So we are saying that once again, we are saying that we should protect and manage our environment well so that when there are these human activities, our towns, our villages, our districts can survive and thrive when the environment gets extreme. So that is what I can tell other stakeholders who could not make it to the program.
Nekasa echino Mr. Ernest enso eye head teacher ewo school mu ho no so eche nani so eni hia se school for no so ebehu niema bi atisa na kwan ya befa so ebebo environment no ho ban.
Ernest Big After Monday school head teacher. In fact, we are very impressed and we are very grateful for your coming and choosing this school as 2026 Environmental Day celebration is concerned. But we are very blessed because I think this is the first time such a program is being held here. And looking at the impact that you are going to make on our children here and so as to replicate in their life in the future. In fact, environment is what is our future. Without the environment, we cannot live. So, but coming here is a blessing to all of us, and we thank you very much for coming. As I've said, that the environment is our future, and the tree is also part of the what of the environment. We make our possible best to protect and make sure that next year, you see, maybe some of the food will be start to produce by next year and beyond. So we do our possible best to keep it going and grow very well. Yeah, Damasina, yeah, Kade, yeah, for the Malquenge do na ya catch there, the Kuku, Impo, NGOs, in other one more, our Dam Quanido, the Environmental Protection Authority, Asha Sri, the organizations, government and non-governmental organizations should come in to support this beautiful move so that our environment can be protected and sustained for our future generation.
Sanso enab Opeyimpa oye in charge of finance and administration eye Owura Frederick Inkum ono anso ene begina mu ema district director of education Mame Sabina Aba Wilson on Coastal TV ebonkomo.
Mr. Frederick Inkum, in charge of finance and administration for Ajumako Enyan Essiam, district director of education. The Babajina, the director named Mrs. Sabina Aba Wilson. We are sharing idea, a board school, a private board school. So say, near dear, in your life, this would be dear to school and environment. That should be a one you make me judging from our share. You make me cry, serve as a shade that a teacher for Colorado Betnasi. So, my breaker. Fruit in this way, so you make me at TBD because you see a deep fruit, a boy, it's a benefit in there, and also Oliver asks for more. Did you ever cancel going for the term the Yampanka, a hand a bay, schools in a bay? Ntianiaje epese tambia omoba Ajumako Enyan Essiam no mbeku tisa programs nti yepepa going forward epese mo other agencies no so there ebeka kire o say so omde omho shem especially nia edu afia na kom si di nia all types of nia be fruit na kom dey about schools nti edia because nia edia dey a life. Yes, she said, "If you back who are nipa back so our can obey the agency, Baba so environmental protection agency, and coming in our my back. No me, I who sees our program, Yanka, a babu.
Yet wa kasebono esoso ana dwumedi asenso opanyipa ono so ekopie hobi no eye Hanif Abeku Forson oye assistant programs officer ema EPA oba Central Region Cape Coast ha office no so a ho ena odi ni dwuma na ono so ede insembi etu Coastal TV anim echiremu ne enti a eho akohia sesa dwumedi ebekoso na aboa nchirima nyina.
Hanif Abeku Forson, the assistant program officer, Environmental Protection Authority, Central Region Cape Coast. Which is World Environment Day. I had that every year. Now this year, the year to Yona Yaba, Ajumako Day, Mando DA Basic School, and Mando Methodist Basic School. Now, what Environment Day, quarterly activities are here every year. Until this year, Yaba had day. Next year, so other districts. So now, Yako schools are also one here dementia. Yeah, the dimension change come on. Every year, which is 5th June of every year. I'm not next year, so we will sound the call another district. Yeah, and down body in a special another surprise. Into another district, so the dimension change that come on. Now I'm there. The environment, no, I obia now said the day over can have a home. Into here, EPA, so that Ajumako Day. In the the way I imagine the call do idea. Amen. The bad and care very simple, but the way I want he do what share and final. Why am I from Kukra? The bad baby BTT being a but what the activity be come I from Kukra, many IGP there. Ajumako for another man D and man Methodist Basic School. Why the fair fraud? Now, all the environment day now had in I crab. If the way my former so 1 year drink that one now, NJP because if margin SCP or in some na can they could relate what I said there environment na there oban and the way in some kind of no it was very interactive. Obia to me in some normal the man on a charge na de nti if additional ekoye wo ha de pa mede nchiaso nko be ma teachers na wo ha de there wotuma madam additional call students na muma the main kita hun zina yin woti no wotuma ma anu ya kama pa nti kita hun na ada ninu age ho pa ye